All right, so here we go. We have a quick little unboxing of the 7 Rhymes iRay WD40 4-channel wireless microphones. Really quick, the box just has the instructions, um, the case with the actual microphone and receivers. We'll put that to the side. Here we have all the accessories in this box. We'll just go through the accessories really quick. All right, we have a nice little bag. Here we have some wires. This is just to go to your camera. This one is also for another camera. These are just dead cats. I'm not even going to open this stuff up. It's all the same thing. More dead cats. Here we have magnets. So you can connect the microphones on your shirt with some magnets. So that's pretty nice. They're pretty strong too. All right, we'll leave those right there for now. Gel pack, we need that. And here is the wire for your cell phone. So if you want to connect it to your cell phone, put that to the side. All right, let's get right to it. Here we have the case with the microphones and the receiver. That's a nice case. I like the color, nice gray. Right in the front here, we have the button to check the see how much battery life there is. On the side, nothing. On the back, the charger, and it looks like a reset button. On the other side, nothing. On the bottom, feet, the model number, and all that good stuff. On the top, have the 7 Rhymes logo. We open it up. We have 2 microphones, receiver, another 2 microphones. They are magnetic. So here we have one of the microphones. We have a button here on the side. On the top we have the microphone. On the other side, we have the power button and it looks like a volume to raise it up. On the bottom, we have a USB-C to charge it. And here on the front, we have the logo and some indicator lights. It's really strong magnets. All right, here we go. We have the receiver. On the top here has an indicator light, the logo. On the bottom, nothing. On the side, we have a USB-C. We have an out and a microphone jack. On this side, we have the power button and also the mono and stereo switch. And then we have another button here. And that's pretty much it. We have the clip. Let's see where the magnet is. Okay, so right here, boom, the magnet. So you can clip it onto a shirt or whatever. You don't have to use the actual clip. You can just magnetize it. Right there, boom, on that one. Very nice. All right. So right now I'm actually using, this is the 7 Rhymes DW10. This is the older version. This one only has 2 channels, but this one has Bluetooth. And I don't think the WD40 has Bluetooth, so that's a little bit of a disappointment. But it has the 4 channels, and you can plug it directly right into your cell phone, or you can put it into your camera. So right now I am going to plug these right now into my phone because that's what I'm shooting this video on, and just to do a little sound check. All right, so when I come back, this will be plugged in and we'll get a sound check. Really quick, actually, before I plug these in, I'm just going to turn it on. All right, so when we turn it on, you get a flashing green light, and then you get a flashing white light. That is because the microphones are not turned on. So I'm assuming once you turn on the microphone, let's see, uh, power. All right. So that turns to a solid line once the microphone is connected. If you hit the power button, you see the light turn red and the solid line is gone. So that means that we're muted. This is the volume button. So you can actually see right here, this light represents the volume. So low, and it starts to get higher. Here we have, all right, so here we have, here, this button on this side is for the denoiser and pairing. So if you click it, you see the light turn green. That means it's for the denoiser. If you hold it down, it's going to go into pairing mode. So you see it flashing crazy. That means it's in pairing mode. All right, so next we'll just plug them in and we'll get a quick little sound check just to see how these sound. All right, so here we have the iRay DW40s connected to the phone. They're plugged in right here. Well, the receiver's plugged in. I have the microphone right here in my hand. You can see right here. So this is a test of the 7 Rhymes iRay DW40. This is a sound test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a quick sound test just to see how the microphone sounds. Right now I can't tell, but you're hearing it, so you can tell how it sounds. Either it sounds good or it doesn't. Usually the 7 Rhymes are pretty good. Like I said, I have the DW, was it 10s, and they are pretty good. Like I said, they have Bluetooth, these don't, so that's kind of a bummer. But other than that, it has 4 channels, so you can plug it right in. I'm pretty sure it sounds pretty good, but like I said, this is a test and you should be able to hear it. All right, have a good one. All right, really quick, I'm going to do a quick little sound check with and without the denoiser. So this is without the denoiser. This is without the denoiser. I have a heater running in the background, so you can probably hear that. I'll stay quiet for a second. All right, so this is without the denoiser. And now this is with, I'm going to turn on the denoiser right now. All right, the denoiser is on, so this is with the denoiser. I'll be quiet for a second just so you can hear the heater in the background. So once again, this is with the denoiser.